Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce chicken, easy method. Heat a large skillet over medium heat and season chicken with salt and pepper. Sear the chicken until golden, then set aside. Sauté garlic and onions in the same pan, add crushed tomatoes and herbs, return chicken, simmer until cooked through and sauce thickens. Finish with fresh basil and a splash of olive oil before serving. Want to keep it simple and flavorful? Start by choosing boneless or bone-in chicken and adjust cooking time accordingly. Use canned crushed tomatoes for consistency or fresh tomatoes for brightness, and balance acidity with a teaspoon of sugar if needed. Add red pepper flakes for heat or cream for richness, and stir in chopped parsley or basil at the end. Serve over pasta, rice, or with crusty bread for a comforting meal. To save time, double the recipe and freeze portions in airtight containers for up to 3 months. Reheat gently over low heat and add a splash of water if the sauce seems thick. Use leftover sauce as a base for soups, casseroles, or shakshuka, and shred any leftover chicken into sandwiches or salads. Label containers with date and contents so you always know what you have on hand and enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.